Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a Vespa while we learn Spanish. We draw the handlebar, which in Spanish is manillar. We draw the rear view mirror, which in Spanish is RETROVISOR. We draw the wheel. We draw the seat, which in Spanish is ASIENTO. Now we draw the eyes. That is said, OJOS. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say wheel in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use red, that in Spanish is said, rojo. Let's go with the yellow color, that in Spanish is said, AMARILLO. Now we use gray, which in Spanish is GRIS. Let's see if you know the answer. Wheel in Spanish is RUEDA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. Now let's use the brown, which in Spanish is MARRON. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.